In 1911, Clyde Cessna took learning to fly personally with Silverwings. Over the past 80 years at Cessna, we've introduced hundreds of different airplanes. And now, once again, we're making it personal. My parents were passionate about flying, and that passion for flight was kindled in me at a very early age. Flying not only became a part of my life, it became my life. And like all passions, at the heart of it was something very personal. I was lucky. I fell in love with flying and was able to fulfill my enthusiasm for flight. For others, that wasn't always possible. But that's about to change. We're giving the world a new airplane that has so much personal appeal, so much desirability, so much seductive charm. A whole new generation is going to fall in love with flying. An entire world of prospective pilots will feel a level of passion for flight that hasn't been felt in a long, long time. And this time around, when you fall in love, you can do something about it. Instead of just talking about learning to fly, you can take lessons. Instead of just wishing you could fly, you can fly. And instead of merely wanting to own an airplane, you can buy one that literally stirs your soul. It's called the Cessna Skycatcher. That's what it is, and that's what it does. The Skycatcher is safe, it's simple, it's lightweight, and it's relatively inexpensive to learn in, operate, buy, and also maintain. It incorporates the latest in new design technologies. The airframe is primarily aluminum, but it employs composites where they make the most sense. Like the original Cessna 150, the Skycatcher is powered by a 100 horsepower engine. But unlike the 150, it features gull-wing doors for easy entry. Skycatcher is as wide as our Cessna 206, but it comes with just 2 seats. Why? Well, it helps keep the cost down, but it is also, like I told you, this time it's personal. And you have my word on it.